Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So we recently got wind of some juicy information about the upcoming OnePlus 12, which is set to make its debut in December. A fresh rumor has surfaced, shedding light on the device's key specifications, and we can't wait to share them with you. Now, while the OnePlus 12 is considered to be an incremental upgrade from its predecessor, the OnePlus 11, it does bring some noteworthy improvements. One of the standout features is the battery capacity, which has received a significant boost. Additionally, the OnePlus 12 is rumored to sport the company's first ever periscope telephoto cam, adding to its photographic capabilities. Let's dwell into the details, shall we? According to reliable sources, the OnePlus 12 will feature a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED touchscreen with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering this device will be highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor by Qualcomm, slated to be unveiled in October. Paired with this powerful chipset, we can expect up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring a snappy and spacious experience. Turning our attention to the camera setup, the OnePlus 12 will boast a triple camera system on the rear. This setup is said to include a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. However, it's worth noting that an interesting tidbit from today's rumor suggests that the periscope lens might only offer 3x optical zoom. It is quite unusual since we have seen 5x and 10x periscopes in the past. Nevertheless, we will take this information with a grain of salt until we receive further confirmation. On the front, the OnePlus 12 will sport a 32-megapixel selfie camera to capture your best shots. Software-wise, we can expect the device to run on Oxygen OS 14 based on the latest Android 14 operating system. And fear not OnePlus fans, as the iconic alert slider will still be present along with an in-display fingerprint sensor for added convenience and security. Now let's talk about battery life. The OnePlus 12 is set to impress with its massive 5400 mAh battery. That's a substantial upgrade, and to top it off, the device will support blazing fast 100-watt wired charging and a 50-watt wireless charging. Oh, and by the way, OnePlus will still include a charger in the box, so no worries there. All in all, the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be a serious contender for the next year. With its top-notch specifications, improved camera capabilities, and a beefy battery, OnePlus fans have a lot to look forward to. December can't come soon enough, and we will make sure to keep you updated as we get closer to the launch date. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this OnePlus 12 rumor roundup, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech news and updates. And as always, thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.